One of the things that can be really good to do with your super site is password protect the pages. For example, you might have some content that you want to restrict to a certain group of people or perhaps a client. Well, it's easy to add a password to those pages directly from the super dashboard and protect those pages. To do this, go to the Pages section of your super site. Select the three dots next to the page that you want to protect and set a password. I can apply the password here, and it will cascade down all of the subpages underneath the page that I just protected. We can see that the padlock icon now appears next to the About Us page and also on any of its subpages. The password is inherited. The other pages remain unprotected. Let's check the live site and see if the password has applied. It can sometimes take super a couple of minutes to apply the passwords across the site, depending on the number of pages that you have in your site. Please refresh the browser to reload the page and make sure that the password code is come down from super. As I mentioned, this can sometimes take a few minutes depending on how big your site is and how many pages need the password protection. If you need to remove the password protection, go back to the super dashboard, find the top level page where the password is applied, click the three dots and select Remove Password. This will remove the password for that page and all of its child pages. And it's done. Refreshing the live site now takes us directly into the page without the password protection.